Okay, I'm also making a my control box. I'm going to make actually a box. So as you can see, I have it like a 45-degree angle cut, which will go up on my side of the wall. And then this box will actually fit in like so. So I thought I'd just show you that. So I'm going to put this together and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, the box is up. Now I've just got to put the top on, cut the hole in the top, and then put the controller in and just tidy it up, tidy the whole thing up, and then paint it. Okay, I've got my masonite first board on the front, then my top board, which is still going to be the masonite, will go like so, and then I'll put the hole in the top to match the module or the controller. So I'll go ahead and cut the hole. Okay, now I've cut the hole. Now the controller should go voila. So I'll screw that in and paint it all up and I'll show you the outcome. And that's the finished product, guys. Okay, we're ready to program now. So as you can see, there's no bridge there. The bridge is there, and when there's no bridge on, it will just flash E3. So if we put the bridge on, she'll now go to EO, but if you hit the track button, that will get rid of the flashing EO. Now, every time you take the bridge off, you always have to home it. And when I home it, this mark here is the home. So before you can do anything, you've got to make it go home. So on here, we'll push the track, and then the CW is clockwise and the CCW is actually counterclockwise. So to get it home, it's going to go, it will always go clockwise. So we push track again and we choose O, and then you can hit the head and she'll go home. Now this module will have, as you can see, head and tail. Now the head end is the end with the cabin on, and tail is the other end. So that's how you determine which way your track's going to go, because you can actually choose head or tail when you program. Okay, now I want to make this track number 1. Now this has already been preset with number 1 anyway, but this will override it. So what we've got to do is the CCW is anti-clockwise and CW is clockwise. So we want to go anti-clockwise to move it to that track. So if I push that, and you'll see it going anti-clockwise. So we're going to line it up with the tracks to where we think it should be, roughly there. So now what we're going to do is push track again and the numbers will come up. Now we're going to push it and hold it again until it double flashes. And as you can see, it's double flashing. Now I can change this to whatever number I want, but we want it to make it number 1. And then I'm going to push the head key and that should be done. So now we're going to push the track key again, but go back to home, which is 00, and now that should come home back to here. And she's done a good job. Now that you've seen how to sort of program it, because I've got the 12 stalls there, I want to program them 1 to 12. So this has to be a different number. So I'm going to make this like a high number, like 20. So I still get me numbers for each of the stalls. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so now I'll take it to the number 1 track to change to number 20. That's about it. So now we'll hit the track once, hit the track and hold it till it double flashes, and then we will make that 20, and we'll hit the head and tail, or the head, then I'll hit track again, go back to the home, and now we will select 20, and then hit the head, and there you have it. And also when you're programming this, because I've programmed the head to be number 20, the tail end will also do the same. So if I now go, well, it's not on number 20, if I now go tail, that should come right around and line up on the tracks as well. And there you have it. So that's all there is into, or how you program it. But now I've just got to do the 1 to 12 now, instead of showing you how to do it all again. That's how you do it. Okay, I'm going to show you how to program a number and then delete a number. So we're going to make a new number. So we're going to go counterclockwise and stop there, and we're going to call this one a number 3. So we'll hit the track once, and then we'll do it again and hold it down till it double flashes, and then we'll make that 3, and you hit the head. So that means that 3 should be done. So we're going to hit the track again, and we're going to go to double O, which is home. We'll send it home, and she went home. Now we're going to hit the track again, and we're choosing number 3 that we just keyed in. I hit the head, and it goes there. So now we want to get rid of it. So we push the track once, then we hold it until it double flashes, double flashing, and hit track again. So now we should be able to go, well, you don't have to go home. All the numbers are gone for number 3, so 3 is now gone. And that's how you delete. Okay, we'll put a loco on. And this loco I'm going to take to stall 12. So we come to track, and we'll go to stall 12. We'll do that again. We'll go to track, and we'll go the head end. And we'll reverse it in. Now we'll bring it back out. Okay, I want to send this back out onto the main, which I've made track 20. So we go back to push track once, choose 20, but we want to do the tail end. And now we can just run her off. And that's how you do it.